How to cancel Scribd free trial. So first is basically go to their website, which is called scribd.com right here. And once you're here, you will need to hover to your profile icon here on the top right. Then click on your account right there. Then it will redirect you to this page where you will see the subscription section. Now what you need to do now is click on manage subscription. Then you will be redirected right here and you will see the option to cancel your subscription here at the bottom. So you just simply need to click on that. Then here you will see on how many days left you have on your trial and also the end date of your trial. So by canceling, you will immediately lose subscriber access to Scribd, SlideShare, and Everend. If you want to cancel, you just simply need to click on continue to cancel right here and you should be good to go. And that is how you basically cancel your Scribd free trial.